What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. We have got your art therapy session sorted out for you this evening, and we've got your motivation set for the week as well. So what are we all waiting for, folks? Let's roll the intro. Hey, how is everybody? Hope we are all well and had a good week and good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist. I upload art therapy videos on a Wednesday and Tuesday. And on a Tuesday show, I like to give a motivational quote for you guys. Today's motivational quote we're going to be doing is a little bit more different. What I'm going to be doing is at the end of the show, I'm going to be giving you a 5-minute affirmation video. This video is going to be an affirmation one for you guys to use. Just play it before you go to bed or when you wake up. And it's going to be filled with all these affirmations that's going to help to encourage you, help to inspire you, help to motivate you to accomplish any of your goals, and to make you feel that little bit more better about yourself. Those 5-minute affirmation you can play to yourself. Play it before you're going to bed or anything like that, or even in the mornings. It's a great way of waking up, getting yourself set up for the day. That nice bit of motivation and a bit of meditation for you too. Even better still, if you feel like you want to do this in the evenings, do it just before you go to bed. Play it on, put some headphones on and just have a little sit back, close your eyes, relax, and have a little listen to the affirmations that are going to be said to you. That's coming up at the end of the show. So last week I was creating more designs for my Redbubble store and lots more book ideas for my Amazon account too. What I've been working on is my Christmas books. You can check out my Halloween and Christmas books on my Amazon store. You can see them just rolling up across here. These are ranging from lined pages, lined notebooks, to colouring books for the kids and for adults as well. Brilliant gifts to give for Halloween and for Christmas. That time is going to be approaching us very soon. I also did a lot of designs on the Redbubble store as well. You've seen all the Christmas ones. I did some motivation ones as well. We've got the beast mode. We've got that beast mode design coming out for you now. Check out these designs here. Brilliant to motivate you, inspire you, and to encourage you to have a productive day. Brilliant designs. Check them out. You can get them on t-shirts, phone covers, baseball caps now, desk mats, mouse pads, all those new products now for yourself. Check them out in the link below. And moving on to today's art therapy session, we are going to be drawing this little doodle here, this nice little spiral, this little cheeky little design we're going to be creating. Nice little wavy pattern, nice repetitive design. It's going to help you to calm down, relax, chill out, have a nice evening drawing this pattern. Follow along with me, or you can just sit there and just watch me draw it as well. Grab yourself a pen, paper, or the Mood Tracker diary. Follow along. Let's get the video started. And how was that for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you did. And now let's move on to today's affirmations. These affirmations are going to be absolutely brilliant. They're accompanied with some nice relaxing music. What you want to be doing is just get yourself into a nice sitting position, nice relaxing position. Start to play the video and listen just to all the words, listen to all the affirmations that are going to be said to you. Let that resonate inside of you, into your subconscious. Play it over and over and over again. It's only for 5 minutes. Play it over and over again, and it will make you feel that little bit more better. It'll give you that bit more encouragement and that little bit more motivation. Like I said at the beginning of the show, either play it before you go to bed or play it in the mornings for that nice bit of meditation for the start of the day, or just to unwind and chill out and to go sleep. Now let's get on to the 5-minute affirmations. Sit back, put on those headphones, close your eyes, relax, get into a nice comfortable position. Start to breathe in deeply. Breathe in through the nose for 4 seconds and release for 6. Breathe in for 4 and release for 6. Gives you a count of 10, that does. In doing it like that and slowly building up, that breathing exercise will help you to concentrate and help you to focus and help you to relax a little bit more. So what are we waiting for? Let's get down to it. Close your eyes and relax. I am successful. I am confident. I am powerful. I am strong. I am getting better and better every day. All I need is within me right now. I wake up motivated. I am unstoppable force of nature. I am a living, breathing example of motivation. I am living with abundance. I am having a positive and inspiring impact on the people I come into contact with. I am inspiring people through my work. I am rising above the thoughts that are trying to make me angry or afraid. Today is a phenomenal day. I'm turning down the volume of negativity in my life while simultaneously turning up the volume of positivity. I am filled with focus. I am not pushed by my problems. I am led by my dreams. I am grateful for everything I have in my life. I am independent and self-sufficient. I can be whatever I want to be. I am not defined by my past. I am driven by my future. I use obstacles to motivate me to learn and grow. Today will be a productive day. I am intelligent and focused. I feel more grateful each day. I am getting healthier every day. Each and every day, I am getting closer to achieving my goals. Through the power of my thoughts and words, incredible transformations are happening in me and within my life right now. I am constantly growing and evolving into a better person. I am freeing myself from all destructive doubt and fear. I accept myself for who I am and create peace, power and confidence of mind and of heart. I'm going to forgive myself and free myself. I deserve to forgive and be forgiven. I am healing and strengthening every day. I've made it through hard times before, and I've come out stronger and better because of them. I'm going to make it through this. I do not waste every single day of my life. I squeeze every ounce of value out of each of my days on this planet. Today, tomorrow, and every day. I must remember the incredible power I possess within me to achieve anything I desire. I do not engage with people who try to penetrate my mind with unhelpful ideas and thoughts. I walk away when a person or a situation isn't healthy for me. Thank you for listening. And how was that video for you guys? Let me know in the comments below and what you guys thought of that. Great to hear whatever you guys think. It's a nice, I want to know if you guys enjoyed that video, if you want to hear more of that sort of stuff. If you do, I'll be creating a lot more of those type of videos. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches. Romeo done. Peace out.